You're truly learning the difference, dear Leo, between trying really hard to fix everybody else's life situation, mindset, and so on and so forth, and then being in your own life and living your own life. Living your life from a space that feels authentic to you and removing your attention from all the people, places, events, and things that you try really hard to fix. I say you try really hard to fix. The interesting thing is that sometimes, or perhaps majority of the time, you're not aware that that's what you're doing. So it's almost unconscious for you. You're unconsciously trying really hard to pick people up and get them to be in a better place and get them to think differently, get them to view the world with fresh eyes and so on. And it's not to say that that's a bad thing. It's beautiful that you even think that way. It's beautiful that you want to support and motivate or inspire. It's just there's a time to output and there's a time for input. And you'll do yourself a world of good when you can learn the difference between, or gauge, when you need the input and when you need the output. And at the moment in your life, and it could just be for today, it doesn't mean it's going to be like this for the next 6 weeks. It could just be today. For today, you need more of the input. For today, you need to bring that energy of inspiration or perhaps motivation, whatever you want to call it, back inward towards yourself. The wisdom that you're sharing with other people, you need to listen to that yourself. Use that wisdom and integrate that wisdom in your own life.